Hey, we should go to the Royale sometime.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That should take 3 minutes to get there.
It closed on a Monday. Sunday and Monday they're closed.
I wonder how Tim's doing there, the bartender.
I don't know.
The guy who quit, the big guy.
Well, he's probably not there anymore.
Well, if you know who I'm talking about, don't you?
No, I never sat at the bar. I don't know the names of the bartenders.
The guy who corrected me for looking at the lottery, the peel-off tickets there near the bar.
Right.
Did the right and play the bartender.
You had some interaction with him, and you would know his name.
Yeah.
I don't know. I never had any interaction with him,
I'm Ryan Hill.
so I don't know
Center
him.
on 8:30 a.m. WEEU.
That was years ago, back when I was 15 or 12.
Here is the exclusive 3-day AccuWeather forecast. Skies mostly cloudy tonight, a low of 35
Did you check all those
degrees.
things you got for your birthday?
Yeah.
Variable cloudiness,
Any
so a few breaks
winners?
of sunshine throughout.
Yeah.
To a high of 51. Behind a dry cold front
How
tomorrow
much
night,
did
partly
you get
cloudy
then?
and breezy, a low of
$16.
That'll set up a cooler day on Wednesday with a blend of clouds and sun at a high of
How many
42.
tickets
This
did
is
you have
meteorologist
then?
Steve Travis reporting
A
from
lot.
the voice of Berks County,
20?
8:30 a.m. WEEU.
Yeah, I think so.
And the current temperature is 46 in downtown Reading. You're listening to the Monday edition of the Afternoon News Update here on The Voice, 8:30 a.m. WEEU, and online at WEEU.com.
I'm Mike Keller with the WEEU Entertainment Report. On this Monday, let's take a look at the weekend box office results, and no surprise here, Star Wars The Last Jedi has earned that top spot with $220 million.
Hello, please leave a message after the tone.
Well, he's still on the line.
Hello, this is Ruth Thomas. I'm not available right now, but you can leave a message. Have a great day.
So far, it's been 4 minutes and 27 seconds. We can make it there in 3 minutes.
That's where the speed is.
We get pulled over. I have my ID with me.
Good. No, it's in my, well, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why.
Dropped my phone again.
Why don't you hold your phone?
Yeah, let me put it in my pocket. Yep, it's in my pocket now.
Finished with that light.
When we get the Vicks, I'm gonna turn it off. Now it's been 5 minutes.
I don't have a scratchy throat or anything like that. It's just dry, mucusy cough sometimes.